Hello, today I have a very new one. We're going to work on our pelvic muscles. Those are muscles around this area. This will help your VAG more tighter, especially when you give birth through vaginal, that's normal delivery. It tends to make muscles somehow loose, and you're wondering how you can make them more tighter here. Stay tuned. The first one is very simple. Lie down. Then you bring your leg high up. You can choose to touch here. I like putting mine down. Then I make it further. Keep on breathing in and out. Nice one. The next one, you still lie on your back. But this time round, no leg raising. We're gonna lift up the hip high like that. You can choose to maintain it there, but make sure you tighten these muscles. By doing this, you're even making your buttocks more firm. So you're working on more than one part. So I like making it more advanced. You put down, you widen, up, then together, down, widen, up, together, down. Lovely. Wow. Hope you're still there. The next one is a squat. Always in this position. Make it wide and wide. Then you raise it up. Lifting up your knees on the toes. You keep your muscles tight, especially these ones, the muscles of here. You can choose to touch down, at least for the support if you're not stable, but mostly this one works best. Tighten every muscles, especially those ones that I said. If it's too much, you release up for a few seconds, then you get down again. Tighten those muscles. Keep on breathing in and out. This one will even help you widen your hips. Wow. Thank you all for watching. Repeating this at least 3 times in a week, 15 reps each, and at least 4 rounds. This will keep your muscles tighter. I know maybe you've been wondering what happened to me or what. here's another solution. You can make it best, even better than before. So stay tuned, keep on doing this exercise. It will take you where you want. Remember to share, like, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. I know you have a friend who needs this. Thank you.